Hi everyone and welcome as you join me, Raymondo Lee, today as we take a walk around the small fishing village of Westbay. Here we will take, starting from the east cliff, we will walk all the way around to the opposite side of the harbour. So we park in this car park here and we'll walk along to the cliff edge before making our way to the bench, and then we'll head around the harbour all the way around, show you a famous little hut that's here, and then we'll make our way round to the other side of the harbour and then up the hill before we're turning back down the hill and back into the centre where we will end the episode. So this place is famous for a TV series called Broadchurch, which starred David Tennant and Olivia Colman. So while we are walking around, I will show you a couple of the scenes and places that were in the TV series. So the weather was extraordinarily windy. There was a storm on its way, and so that's why there's not a lot of sound. As you can see, the kids were absolutely loving the wind, as they always seem to. So as I'm filming this, I took a few photos for you to enjoy. So this is the harbour cliff beach. Danny's body was found in the opening episode of the first series. The towering sandstone cliff and beach, symbolic to Broadchurch, and feature prominently throughout both the series. As you can see, it's a prominent cliff area. So if you're looking for a public toilet, there is one straight ahead there. So this is the famous bench during the first series, and there is actually a fantastic shot here that was taken from the TV series, and me and the wife did try and copy it, as you'll see in a second. So we tried to replicate the scene the best we could. And now we're going to make our way round to the other side of the harbour. Okay, so you can see a blue hut, and the blue hut was the beach chalet where D.I. Alec Hardy, David Tennant's character, stayed in the series 2, and it sits on the bank of the River Brit in Westbay and offers views across the river, harbour and meadows behind it, as you can see. So around the other side of the quay is the Harbour Lights area, where there's lots of little cafes for you to get ice creams, burgers, chips and drinks. So just across the road from that is this building here, which was the setting for Broadchurch's police station. So there you go, took a photo of that to show you. And then we went over to the Jurassic Pier and the Westbay Harbour. So there are a couple of the shots that we took of Broadchurch. Thought you might find that interesting. And then we did have a walk up to Westcliff. Many scenes were shot from this cliff, and it provides magnificent views across Westbay. So we did take a walk up. It was very windy, but the sun did start to come out, and we also found a geocache, so that added to it, to the enjoyment of walking up the hill. Oh wow, tiki bar. Hey? Yeah. Entrance. Main floor of traders in that one. Let's go and have a look. These bottles. Always looking at the bright side of life. That's pretty cool. Got different ones. Looking at the bright side of life. Oh wow. Army surplus. Cream plastic breakdown. Some old helmets.
No, accurate reference.
Yeah, we'll say. The Peacemaker. Yeah, no license required. Colt 45. That's pretty cool. Look even further. Bargain. Any jackets you want there, Lewis? Bombers? Hey? For that one? Pattern on that one? Yeah. It's fluffy, isn't it? Got these parts. And coasters. They're nice. Shall? 45s for this. That's all records. And DVDs. We're just looking at these ones. What are these? Here's what you used to play records. This is what you used to play records on. And now we come around to the Discovery Centre. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to go in there. We were running late. So I hope you enjoyed this one today. Please consider subscribing for more videos of the area and check out the playlist. Thank you and goodbye.